Our company is called Lynette's Cakes and Catering. I'm Lynette's cousin, Brittany. She's been doing this for 8 years. She loves what she does. We're based out of Annandale, Virginia. We have a commercial kitchen space there. We come every Wednesday to the farmers market. This is our first year at the farmers market. Brings a more diverse environment for them. It helps them, get some quick vegetables. If they just want to grab a cupcake, they can just grab a cupcake and then go to class. You know what I'm saying? We have everything here off campus to like Safeway or anything like that. They can just come here and pick up, the essential stuff that they need.
I think having a farmer's market on campus is really great because last year I didn't have a car, so it gave me the opportunity to come and get food somewhere else on campus that wasn't as expensive and was a lot fresher. At the stores, there isn't always as fresh a produce as there's at the farmer's market, so I think it's really helpful for students to have an alternative to eating at STEM or the dining halls.